Hey everybody, this is Trent from All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Make sure you guys like and subscribe down below so you can keep up to date on beautiful inventory like this. Check this out, guys. We're taking a look at a 2017 Ford Explorer Platinum in a beautiful champagne color here. Clean Carfax, 2 previous owners, just over 87,000 miles. Or just under 87,000 miles, excuse me. This is equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 with the EcoBoost. So I'm gonna walk around and show you some of the many features this car has to offer. Starting in the front here, as you can see, the beautiful chrome grille. There's your Ford badging, and then it breaks it up in the front here. You got your black grille insert down below. High intensity headlights here with your LED runners, as well as fog lights integrated in the lower bumper. Looks like you have a front camera right here, so you're gonna have 360 view on the park or the backup camera, and you have 360 park sense all the way around. Beautiful alloy wheel here from Ford, shiny new rotor, like new tires as always. At All Things Automotive, wrapped up in a nice Pirelli there, as you can see. Nice two-tone on the mirror cap here, as you can see, chrome and black. You do have turn signal indicators integrated in the mirror cap right there. Okay, and you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience, and we'll take a look at the key fob here in just a second. You will have passive entry, all that nice stuff. Let's take a look at this beautiful interior. Let's start off on the door card here. A couple elements we're working with. You have your black leather, you got your faux wood grain, brushed aluminum, chrome all the way around, double white stitching right here, almost like a cream color. The interior is like a tan or a cream color, but just beautiful all the way around. As you can see, there's your platinum stitched right into there. Heated seats, cold seats, and massaging seats. Yes, I did say they do have massagers in them, so we're gonna take a look at that in just a second. Let's take a look at the used car mechanical check sheet. Check out the tire depth. So they are 8 and 7 30-seconds all the way around. So plenty of tread left on those. Front and rear pads are good to go. Along with a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a top to bottom detail just for you. This car didn't need much, but it turned out fantastic. So super clean interior here, guys. Beautiful all the way around. Let's keep going. Let's take a look at the seating situation here. You will notice you do have climate control back here, flow through center console, and you do have heated seats back here as well with a 110 and 2 USB, so you can stay connected and charged at all times. Nice feature of this Platinum right here, you do have a center console here. They are captain's chairs, but you do have a nice center console for storage, cup holders for your convenience. So you have your double sunroof there, goes all the way back, and it does have a nice sunshade right there that'll go up. Vents are up here, so your rear passengers can be super comfortable. All right, guys, let's take a look at the third row, and in order to do that, we're just going to push this button. That's very nice because every seat has a power option, and you got buttons all the way around. So let's go ahead and push this. It's going to fold up like so. Just tilt it back, and there's your third row. As you can see, you have plenty of space back there to enter the third row and exit the third row. So let's go ahead and put that back down. We'll check out the liftgate. Beautiful champagne exterior here, almost gold, but a little lighter than that, obviously. Let's go ahead and hit that button, stand back, and watch the magic happen. As you can see, you do have automatic liftgate assist, and you do have power options on the third row. So you do have a stow mode, you can fold them. There's a normal mode, and you can control which side with just the touch of a button right here. And there's your 12 volt right there. And we're gonna hit that button. It's gonna close up. So let's take a look at the driver area here. As you can see, you have your illuminated keyless entry right here on the door. You can set your door code and customize it. Again, beautiful elements here on the door card. Awesome interior here today. You do have 3 driver profiles, so you can do memory seating. There's all your power options there, and there's all your power options here on your door as far as mirrors, windows, etc. All right, again, illuminated Explorer plate right there. Your lamp selector is going to be here to your left with your brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster, as well as your tow mode, and you can access your lift gate from right there. And you also notice you have foot pedal adjustment right there, and then you have a steering wheel adjustment right here as far as telescoping, tilt, everything you could want. Everything is powered in this Platinum, so you don't have to do a thing. This is a super, super comfortable and convenient vehicle. So if you're looking for a loaded all-wheel drive third row vehicle for this summer or whenever, this is the vehicle here for you. All right, let's take a look at all these controls right here. So you're going to have nice display here on the clusters. You have 2 control pads. This is going to control your center right here, so you can kind of display whatever kind of information you'd like. Put mine on entertainment, shows you what radio station you can choose there, and you do have options on the back of the steering wheel to be hands-free as well. Okay, and this control pad is more for your fuel economy, driver assist, and your settings. So fuel economy right there says we're about 20.3 miles to the gallon. Let's go ahead and reset that. There's your cruise control right here. Looks like you have an adaptive cruise control, and over here are some of your audio buttons as far as pairing your phone via Bluetooth, volume up and down. So everything's hand-free. Nice leather wrapped wheel, and then you have your faux wood grain right here. Nice double stitching right there. Super, super comfortable. Love it. All right, guys, let's check out this beautiful infotainment center here. Nice touchscreen display. As you can see, I have the navigation loaded up here, and we are in McCollumsburg, Pennsylvania, all things automotive. Let's hit this home button. Okay, you do have FM, AM, Sirius radio. You have a CD player here. You do have the upgraded Sony sound system here. There's your climate controls right here, and you can see I can put on my heated wheel. Speaking of heated wheel, you also get cooled seats and heated seats, and I'm going to show you the massaging seats. So let's take a look at that. There's just going to be a button on the side there. It's going to take the place of the lumbar support there, as you can see. But I'm going to just go ahead and demonstrate that right now. I'm going to hit that. Oh yes, and that feels great. So while you're driving, just go ahead and get a massage. You're good to go. Very cool. In this Platinum Explorer here at All Things Automotive. All right, guys, let's take a look up top. As you can see, and I'm still getting a massage. It feels pretty good. Integrated garage door openers right here. There's your illuminated visor, and you're going to have that on the driver and the passenger side there, as you can see. Nice storage here. All your sunroof controls. There's your sunshade right there. It's going to come up automatically. Okay. We can go ahead and slide that back. There's the roof. So a beautiful double sunroof here. Now the first one's going to slide all the way back. This is kind of a moon roof right here, but it does have a privacy shade, which is really nice. All right, just a beautiful interior all the way around. Awesome color here. This is definitely an awesome vehicle. Okay, let's check out the storage here. Looks like you have a USB 12 volt. You are going to have a sport shifter, and you're going to have paddles up here on the steering wheel. Okay, and you're going to have different driving modes, like a sand, mud, and then a snow mode right there, and downhill descent control. So a lot of different driving capabilities here. You're going to have some nice deep storage down there. All right, so let's check out the 3.5 liter V6 that we're working with here. Hood release located bottom left. You can feel that heated wheel kick on. I got the cooled seats, cooled massaging seats, and the heated wheel on. And those are some super bright LED lights there. As you can see, they cut through even in the daylight. So super bright to lead the way. There's your 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. Nice and clean engine bay, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. So that's a nice healthy sounding engine right there. Okay guys, I'm going to shut the vehicle off, and I'm going to walk around and do my last portion of the video. This is where I go over any dents, dings, or imperfections. Now the interior, I didn't see really any imperfections in the interior. It's very well kept here, but it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we like to make them as clean as possible. Also wanted to mention blind spot monitoring. So a lot of nice safety features as well. Let's take a look up here. Normal wear and tear down here on the bumper. As you can see, road chips. And on the hood as well. But the chrome grille insert, everything's good here. No chipping or fading or anything like that. With all the molding and trim pieces all the way around, as a matter of fact, they're in really good shape here. No issues. All the way up to the luggage rack. Everything's in good shape. I did look at this vehicle prior. Didn't see anything that jumped out at me, but I want to give it a nice look over here. So on the back of the cargo space here, there's some touch-ups right there. So you're going to have this. This is normal wear and tear from cargo going in and out, guys. Okay, bottom bumper. There's some wear and tear there as well. It is in good shape. It's not perfect. High gloss black all the way up. Chrome door handles. Everything looks good there. Again, some minor blemishes here on the driver's side rear door. And right here as well. High gloss black looks good all the way up here. Again, not perfect. It is a pre-owned vehicle. Keep that in mind. But other than that, it's beautiful. Luxury, loaded, third row SUV here. Give us a call if you have any questions. 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or you can get allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7. You can get yourself pre-approved on this beautiful SUV. Or just come out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.